Hi everyone, welcome to another Bitsy tutorial. Today we're going to explore how to use link cloaking with your Bitsy link. Link cloaking allows you to mask your destination URL so that only the short link appears in the browser address bar. This can make your links look cleaner and more professional. Let's get started. Head over to the Bitsy Links page. Here we'll create a new Bitsy link and enable link cloaking. Start by entering the destination URL, the long URL you want to shorten. This is the URL users will be redirected to when they click your short link. Now let's give your link a short alias if you want, but keep in mind that the link cloaking feature will mask the destination URL, so you don't need to worry about revealing it. To enable link cloaking, look for the link cloaking option. Toggle the switch to enable link cloaking for this link. Note, some destination URLs do not support link cloaking. Check if your destination URL supports link cloaking before enabling it. Once link cloaking is enabled, your short link will mask the destination URL. This means that when users click on your short link, they will only see the short URL in their browser address bar, not the long, complex destination URL. Finish by clicking on the Create Bitsy Link button. Your new Bitsy link is now set up with cloaking enabled. Here's how it looks when users access the link. The browser address bar only shows the short link, while the destination URL remains masked. And that's it. Using link cloaking with your Bitsy link helps keep your URLs neat and professional. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Bitsy tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need assistance, leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy linking with Bitsy.